So we put on the carbon fiber spoiler a little while ago, and today is another piece of carbon fiber going right along here. So Tesla has the gray and black kind of like little dot pattern, whatever that is, right here. They have that on the interior of the car and everything, but they have it along the back for this underglow brake light. So what we're gonna do though is put carbon fiber piece along this. It is a cap, not a replacement. Super easy to do. Let's do it. We've worked with EV Base a lot, and they sent us one of these to check out. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. I will say, already going off of that, the carbon fiber is packaged very beautifully. So in it, you will get the piece, just like so. And it has some protectors on it, and it's in a little bag. We'll go ahead and remove that. It's already pre-taped. So big, it's hard to get in the photo. So there's two different ways you can do this. There's a wet install and dry install. Wet install would be you remove all the tape and you spritz it ever so slightly with alcohol. That will kind of give it a little bit of tack, but not too much to really stick it. And then you can kind of place it in there and hold it, and the alcohol will dry very quickly, and then you're done. The other option is to go ahead and peel off these little end pieces on the left and the right side, and then peel off like the first foot on both sides and let them just dangle. Then what you can do is you can kind of come in here, and then I like to push it up and then in to make sure that top part is fully aligned. We can go ahead and get like this side pushed in, then get this side pushed in, and then peel them like this on the left and the right until everything is stuck. That's probably what we're gonna do, but ultimately it's up to you. But the one thing you are gonna wanna do before, and we already did, is really alcohol everything, really clean it so this tape can really adhere. That is a huge step in this. Now we're gonna just go ahead and kind of go through and start peeling the back off of all this tape on the left and the right side. What we went ahead and did, which by the way, we went with the matte, and it looks so good. So we went ahead and did the strip on the left and the right, and then peeled back everything on each side so that I can kind of dangle like so. When we put it on there, we're good. And then it's really easy to tell which side's up and which side's not. You can kind of see here, there is a little like raised lip on the top. So it goes like that, but test fit first. That's obviously key as well. So I'm gonna hold this side away from the vehicle while we kind of push this side up and in. I just don't want the right side to get stuck quite yet. Now what we can do is we can go ahead and peel these. And then just push it on. Lots of pressure. Now, if you're gonna be driving pretty quickly, I would go ahead and run some tape along here just to kind of make sure this holds down. Now, if you're not gonna be driving really quickly, like my case, I'm just gonna let this sit overnight, and then before bed, in a couple hours, I'll come back, push this all down again, make sure it's good, and then I'll do the same in the morning, and you're fine. This tape really does adhere very, very quickly. So it's really up to you if you want the dry install or the wet install. You may think we're done, but we're not done yet. We're actually going to add some Tesla lettering. So I'm gonna just wipe off oil from my hand here. And then they actually shipped with red letters, which are not bad. We have a white car. So I reached out to our great friends at Abstract Ocean, and I got white letters because I think the white's really gonna pop. It'll match the car way better. And so like it comes with some cleaning wipes and stuff like that, but we just cleaned it with alcohol. And then it does come with the kind of cutouts and like a sticker and everything. And it says, line up here with the center of your camera. Well, this is for the old gen where the camera was slightly off center and this actually went above. But since we're going below, I'm just going to line it up with the S here, which I just need to pop that out. and then it will make a lot more sense because you probably can't see that. Hey, so I just got to pop out the letters, and then we'll go ahead and put this on there. But there is one other thing to potentially keep in mind. This curves, so we're gonna have to kind of curve this as well. Should be super easy though. I mean, this whole project, this is a project that really should take but just a few minutes. And then I'm kind of moving this, and I'm just following this like natural curvature on the bottom of the carbon fiber here. I just messed up. I realized I was not filming, so that's kind of on me. I went ahead and just peeled those individual letters and stuck them in the little hole. Carefully peel this off. Make sure everything is lined up, looks great, and then just push them on really, really well. But that's basically it for this one. Just a quick how-to on installing this. You can do the wet method, you can do the dry method. It is really up to you. But the dry method works out really, really well. The wet method, you just barely spray any alcohol in there. Don't do too much. You don't want to saturate it. Just a light misting on it, and that's plenty. But definitely let us know down below what you think about the carbon fiber. Is this something you would do to yours? Would you have preferred the red lettering or the white lettering? Now, I mean, honestly, if we had a red car, I would totally go for this. Actually, if we had any color probably besides white, I would probably go with the red. Would have matched our calipers, but I have some ideas on some decals and whatnot, and the red really wouldn't go with it. We will go ahead and link all this down below though if you would like to do this yourself. EVBase is generous enough to extend a discount code to you guys too. So if you use Derek at checkout, you can actually get one of the best discounts they are offering at the time. That's basically it for this one. Definitely a thumbs up if you enjoyed that video. Go and click here to subscribe here for some other ones, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.